I wanted to do a flip through of this Tim Holtz craft paper, decorative paper. This is the Palette Collection Orange. He is going to be releasing, I'm sure you've probably heard, paper versions of all the fabric that he did this past year. And so far he's released, they're going to be released kind of 3 at a time. So right now you can get the pink, the red, and the orange. And so I've picked up the orange one for now, because I think it'll be fun to do some floral type journals with these, nature kind of journals. And so let's dig into it. So you get 12 double-sided papers, and I thought it was really clever. He talked about this on his release video, so you probably know this, but you get 2 of each of these images. So there'll be another page in here that'll have this image, but the back will be different. So this flower one has orange on the back, but then there'll be another flower one that has a different back. So, sometimes you when they're both the same, like say you had 2 flowers and they both had orange on the back, you would be, if you used both of the florals, then you'd miss out on being able to use the orange, for example. I hope that makes sense, but absolutely gorgeous. Love this one. And what I love about these is that they're a matte finish, and I feel like they're a slightly thinner than the paper collection he released last year, that limited edition from the vault. Those were almost more of a shiny finish and a little bit thicker. So I love these way more. It's so cool. So I'll show you the backs, but you'll see them both ways. And here's the collage strips, which absolutely love. And then the back is the tickets, but you'll see the tickets again. And then here's some fun little like tickets and ephemera bits. And then on the back of this one is the mushrooms. And then here we have the stamps. The stamps are so cool. And he talked about like making the background color instead of just white. They kind of toned it to the color of the stamps, which I thought was genius. And then, so see, here's the second floral one right here. And then we have maps. Love these maps. The colors are so pretty. I love the peaches and oranges and the green together. And then see, the stamps are on the back of that one. And then this one is stunning too. Love this with the orange flowers. And then, so this one has the collage ephemera pieces on the back of that one. And then here's the tickets, like I said. And then this one, the tickets has the orange flowers. And then here's the mushrooms. And this has this beautiful kind of wallpaper design on the back. Love that. Love the mushrooms. And then here's the strips. And so you have the orange on the back. And then the wallpaper, and then on the back of the wallpaper is the maps. So very cool. Like that so much. And then they did 2 sheets of these horizontal strips that you can use, like say you just need a little snippet of something. If you're decorating a tag or a cluster, then you can use these sheets for that. And that way you don't have to cut into a full-size sheet if you just want a little bit of a certain page. And then on the back is the other designs on the back of these. So I think that is very cool how they did that. So you have all of the different images that come in the kit, but a small little strip of them, and they're double-sided. So you can use, just one side, but here you also have the option you can pull from both designs. So I am really happy now that I have seen this one in person and love the matte finish and love the weight of it. I might go back and get some more. And these are not a limited release. These are going to be around. The intent is to keep them around. So it's important to that we buy them, use them, buy them again, because if they don't sell, then they'll quit making them. That's how businesses run, right? So I'm really excited about this, and I'm ready to, I got so many different ideas of things I want to do with these. So I kind of need to sit down and prioritize, see what I want to make first, because I know I can buy more after I use these up. But anyway, I'm really excited that they decided to come out with these. I think they're really fun. And yeah, so just wanted to share that with you guys. They are shipping now, so if you want to order them, then you should get it pretty quickly. Within, depending on who you order it from, within a few days. I think I got mine on Simon Says Stamp is where I got mine pre-order. But yeah, I think they're so pretty. And the pink and the red are out right now. And the next ones will release, I think February, or it might be March when the next 3 come out. You can watch Tim's video. He'll tell you which colors come out in each of the subsequent releases. But anyway, that is all for now, and thanks for watching, and I'm so excited to have these. All right, bye.